Enroll ba sa Top VIP? Tutulungan ba kayo makahanap ng client? And this is what I always tell everyone, tuturuan, hindi kami ang maghahanap ng client para sa inyo. I want to make sure that we're clear there. Napansin namin, napakarami ngayong gustong mag-work from home. Ang daming gustong matuto kung paano magsimula. Pero they expect that someone else will apply for them or find them clients, and that's just not the case. I want you, as our mentee, to know how to find your own clients because mas magiging sustainable ang freelancing business mo kapag ganon. If you guys wanna enroll, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. It will pop up 3 choices there. Unahin na lang ninyo yung sa GigHub. Pag open niyo ng GigHub, it will provide you all of the details that you need to learn how to start working from home, whether it's free or paid. But if you wanna join the Top VIP, i-click nyo lang ito. It will open the form for you. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home.